Alright guys, you might think I'm lying, but I am actually caught in a thunderstorm right now. It is insane. I am not joking right now. I'm gonna do something real quick. Hold that up and show you what is. Oh, it's cool. It's calming down outside. But the thunder is just crazy. Listen to this. You hear that? I always love the boom of thunder. It's just so cool, you know. I never want to get struck by it though. That would be a nightmare come true. The lights just flick. Whoa! I just saw a flash of light out there. This is awesome. It really is. Hopefully the power doesn't go out though. It's probably gonna go out right now.